Hi. All right, friends, so today we are going to draw our shape person for book character day. So I'm going to think about a book character. I actually have my book and my book character right here. I am going to draw me as Piggy from the Elephant and Piggy books. So I'm going to set this right over here so I can see her while I'm drawing. So first, remember with shape person, we need to start off with the head. Drawing it with the pencil first, and then a neck and shoulders. And the rest of my body and my hips. I'm going to do my arms, rectangle, rectangle, second rectangle, second rectangle, oval hand, oval hand. Now it's time for my legs, rectangle, 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 and finish out the last rectangle. 1, 2 for arms, 1, 2 for the other arm, 1, 2 leg, 1, 2 leg, and then oval feet. So now I have to think of my outfit. I fix my head real quick. So before I start drawing my head or anything else, I'm going to think about what is my costume going to look like. So Piggy, I'm going to have a mask. That looks like Piggy's mask. And then I'll have a line that connects around my ears. And then I'm going to have a headband, I think, for Piggy's ears. I'll draw a shirt. So I'll draw a pink shirt. So I look like Piggy. And then I'll have pink pants. Pink shoes too. So I'm going to draw my eyes. Oval, oval. I don't have to draw my nose because my mask is covering my nose. I'm going to draw my eyebrows. And I'm going to draw my hair because I'm going to draw a headband for my pig ears. So I'm going to draw my hair. Just like that. I'm going to finish out my eyes. There we go. And I can add my headband. So I'm going to add my ears on top. Just like Piggy's ears. My headband will go right around my ears. Just like that. That looks pretty good. So now, if you guys have it, you guys can pick up a pen and you can trace. So I'm going to speed it up while I trace my picture. And now we are ready to color. So I'm going to put my book on this side and I'm going to start coloring. I'm going to speed it up so you guys can see. So I'm going to finish drawing my lines. I'm going to erase these extra lines because we don't need them anymore. And there we go. There's me dressed up as Piggy. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.